Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, stability control, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, braking assist, power brakes, speed control. Inside you'll find security system, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, child safety locks, multifunction display, power windows, door courtesy lights, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.